Let's talk about this Just Natural Organic Raised Garden Bed Planting Mix and the reason I bought it. Well, hello. I just purchased 2 bags of the Just Natural Organic Raised Bed Planting Mix. It's 1.5 cubic feet, 42.5 liters. It says live off the land and thrive. And the reason I bought this is because I don't have enough compost yet, but I have compost bins that are breaking down leaves and other food scraps, so I'll have compost for next year. But it says growing organic is about more than just doing what's right for you and your family. It's about respecting and replenishing the earth and the beauty that nature creates for us. About having a longer view of what's important in this life. Our organic raised bed mix makes growing naturally beautiful and healthy plants easy, like raised beds themselves. So let your contemporary vegetable garden work hand in hand with nature's ancient wisdom and enjoy a bountiful harvest. It says a little bit about the worm castings. One of the best in organic fertilizers, worm castings offer several benefits. With no risk of burning, worm castings provide both short and long-term supply of plant food. By its nature, worm castings supply a teeming population of microorganisms to living soil. A little bit about the ingredients. There is forest products, peat, rice hulls, and other compost, Canadian Sigum, I guess, peat moss, ground dolomitic limestone, can't pronounce that one. It's a pH adjuster, organic fertilizer, and worm castings. A little bit about the specs, what's in it. Tells you what to do before you, if your garden bed is new, and what it does with how to apply it to your existing raised garden bed. And then it says what fertilization is all about. But there are so many choices to choose from, but this is very affordable. In the comments box, let me know what you use for your garden beds, because I'd like to know. But I'm looking forward to having some healthy plants and vegetables. So if you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. I want to say thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.